Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Go City app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Go City is a digital sightseeing pass app designed for travelers who want to explore top attractions in major cities while saving money. The app allows users to purchase different types of passes, such as the all-inclusive pass, which lets you visit unlimited attractions within a set number of days, or the Explorer Pass, which gives you flexibility to choose a set number of attractions at your own pace. It also provides detailed attraction information, maps, opening times, and digital entry tickets, making city exploration more convenient. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many travelers appreciate Go City's flexibility, cost savings, and the convenience of carrying all attraction tickets in one app. The ability to skip ticket lines and enjoy bundled discounts is a big advantage for tourists who plan to visit multiple places. The app also helps with planning, as users can view attraction details and plan their routes in advance. Still, the app isn't without its downsides. Some users feel that not all major attractions are included in every city, and certain activities may require advance reservations despite having the pass. Also, for travelers who only plan to visit a few attractions, the pass might not provide enough value compared to buying single entry tickets. In summary, the Go City app may be worth using if you want to save money, enjoy convenience, and explore multiple attractions in one trip. However, if your travel plans are limited or you prefer specific experiences not covered by the pass, it might not fully meet your needs. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.